Okay, so I'm not going to open the plastic because it's the season for Toys for Tots toy drive, and I want a little one to be able to open this and feel the joy of something completely new. But the quality seems to be there for sure. It just looks absolutely adorable. So sweet. There's some stickers, other parts. Comes with this case and is closable, so they have their own little tool case, and this wonderful gift, the wonderful box, but it'll wrap up perfectly for whomever. It's you have to donate unwrapped gifts, so, but the box is helpful. But yeah, it looks absolutely perfect and beautifully made. Quality is definitely there, and you can just tell it's nice. Nice gift.